Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when faith powers the will. Ladies and gentlemen, across history, human progress has never been driven by strength alone, nor by knowledge in isolation. At decisive moments when evidence is incomplete and outcomes uncertain, something subtler steps forward. It is faith, not just belief, but an inner assurance that steadies intention. When faith powers the will, action acquires clarity, endurance, and meaning. This quiet union has shaped discoveries, civilizations, and the unseen resilience within ordinary lives. Faith begins when a human being recognizes a simple yet profound truth. Life is not isolated. It is part of a vast, intelligent, cosmic order. The same system that sustains galaxies, seasons, and biological rhythms also sustains human consciousness. Ancient wisdom referred to this sustaining intelligence as divine. Modern science observes it as order, coherence, and self-regulating systems across nature. When this recognition deepens, a subtle shift occurs. The individual no longer experiences effort as solitary struggle. Trust begins to replace resistance. Ancient traditions approached this alignment through trust, prayer, and inner communion, not as surrender of responsibility, but as partnership with a higher intelligence. Neuroscience and psychology now echo this insight. When trust replaces fear, the nervous system stabilizes, mental noise reduces, and energy previously consumed by anxiety becomes available for focused action. Emotion, intention, and cognition synchronize. Inner energy rises, not dramatically but steadily, often felt as quiet strength, clarity, or calm resolve. This is the moment when faith becomes functional. The inner system activates fully. Thought sharpens, emotion steadies, will gains direction, action flows with less friction. Many describe this as an inner sun beginning to radiate as confidence, not rooted in ego but in alignment. Ancient epics captured this truth symbolically. On the battlefield of Kurukshetra, warrior Arjuna possessed mastery, skill and preparation, yet stood paralyzed by doubt. It was not new technique that transformed him, but divine clarity infused into his consciousness by Lord Krishna. Once assured of guidance beyond himself, Arjuna's will awakened. His skill became effective not through force but through alignment. Faith does not replace effort, it empowers it. It does not promise outcomes, it assures guidance in motion. It quietly conveys the most empowering message a human being can receive. You are supported. Act with sincerity. What's the way forward? In an age driven by urgency, comparison, and constant stimulation, cultivating faith means restoring inner alignment. This requires no ideology, only awareness, stillness, gratitude, and sincere intention. When action is offered to a larger order rather than driven by fear of results, effort becomes sustainable, courageous, and precise. Leadership, creativity, and personal growth flourish when faith is understood not only as belief but as coherence with life's intelligence. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, human beings are not meant to control outcomes. They are meant to master action. When faith powers the will, effort becomes free from fear and excess attachment. Action itself becomes fulfillment. As Lord Krishna resoundingly affirms in the revered Bhagavad Gita, action is one's right alone, never its fruits. Act with clarity, balance, and steadiness, anchored in faith. When faith steadies the will, the leap forward in righteous purpose becomes guided. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.